already. Lily, you going to sing? So if we just keep talking and ignoring her, she'll then just suddenly start. You've got to respond with me as well, though. You see what I mean? You've got to keep talking to me. Are you talking to me, Lily, and just ignore her.
So what kind of a day have you got?
Yeah, I've got quite a busy day today.
Yeah.
And poor doggy is not going to get her hands and peas. Did you... Well, okay, maybe a few hands and peas, but we'll just have to see what's in the fridge, Lily. Okay.
The maple kind, yeah.
Mm. Anybody would think you're an abandoned animal that doesn't get any love or attention or anything. Horrendous news about this tornado in the States, Orlando,
I know.
Oklahoma, I mean. Absolutely ghastly. So we're going to see it now? Yeah, that's it about it. You actually have to talk with me.
Yeah.
Pretend
I don't know what to say.
Well, talk waffle like I do all the time.
Waffle.
You see, it works every
Oh,
time.
Lily, no one loves you.
There you go.
Do you want a chew?
You gonna sing?
Lily, do you want a chew? Do you want one of these? 10. Sit. Down. Lily, down. Down. 10. Got it.